hot air gun is one of the most frequently used tools in phone repair, and the technical requirements for technicians are also very high. Both soldering and desoldering of motherboard components require a hot air gun. Today we will walk you through some basic knowledge of hot air gun in phone repair. In the first place, let's take a look at the type of hot air gun. Hot air gun can be divided into helical wind type and vertical wind type. Helical wind type is mainly used to solder and desolder connector, NAND, CPU, Wi-Fi module and other relatively large chips. Vertical wind type is mainly used to solder and desolder small components like resistor, capacitor, etc. The helical wind type features gentle airflow and low heat, while vertical wind type has concentrated airflow and high heat. Correct use of the hot air gun can enhance repair efficiency, while incorrect use can damage the phone. The temperature and airflow of the hot air gun must meet special requirements in different scenarios. The component can't be removed or soldering will be defective if the temperature is set too low, while components and PCB board will be damaged under high temperature. What's more, components will get blown away if the airflow is set too high. Therefore, proper use of the hot air gun is the key to phone repair. Then we will show you how to use hot air gun properly for phone repair. First of all, let's take a look at how to desolder small components. Vertical wind hot air gun is used to desolder these kinds of components. The temperature should be set around 330 degrees Celsius to 365 degrees Celsius and airflow around 1 to 3. Because the vertical wind hot air gun heats up so quickly, please wait to begin working until the temperature is stable after starting up. In addition, the nozzle should be kept vertical from the component with a distance of 3 to 6 millimeters. You should heat evenly above the component for about 13 to 18 seconds. Then remove the component with tweezers. For soldering, the soldering method is the same as the desoldering method. You need to put the component in position firstly and pay attention to the temperature as well as airflow. Next, let's see how to desolder large chips with hot air gun. Corner adhesive needs to be removed when we use hot air gun to desolder large chips like NAND. Helical wind hot air gun is used to desolder these kinds of large chips. Please apply high temperature tape around the component to protect surrounding components. The temperature should be set around 365 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and airflow around 45 to 65. The nozzle should be kept vertical from the component with a distance of 6 to 8 millimeters. You should heat evenly above the component for about 40 seconds. Then pry out the component with a pry blade. In summary, the nozzle of hot air gun should be kept vertical from the soldering surface with a suitable distance. Other than that, the temperature and airflow of the hot air gun must be set properly according to the actual repair circumstances. Please note that the temperature sometimes has to be adjusted according to the type of fixture. The synthetic stone fixture dissipates heat slowly, and the temperature can be lower. The iron fixture dissipates heat quickly, and the temperature should be set higher. Most motherboard repairs will use a hot air gun. Choosing the right one will make your repair easier with high efficiency. 2-in-1 hot air gun has always been a hot-selling product in the phone repair industry. REWA Selected recommends the 2-in-1 Shogun 8620 hot air gun to you. The hot air gun heats up quickly with multiple nozzles. You can easily switch between helical and vertical wind directly by changing the nozzle to achieve different application scenarios. Besides that, its design is also very user-friendly, easy to use, and easy to place. You can purchase Shogun 8620 hot air gun from REWA shop. Please feel free to leave your thoughts on the proper use of a hot air gun for phone repair in the comment section. Thank you for watching.